If one more person tells you to wait until you're older to start making money, this video is for you. Because here's what they didn't tell you. The skills that make people earn real money in 2026 don't care how old you are. They care what you can do. And some of the most in-demand, highest-paying skills in the world right now, teens are doing them, getting paid for them, building income with them before they finish school. Today, we're going through 5 of them. What they are, how much they pay, what it costs to start, which in most cases is nothing, and how fast you can make your first money. No experience required, no degree. Let's go. Stream 1. And if you've ever used Canva, you are closer to this than you think. Small businesses constantly need things: logos, social media posts, flyers, menus, promotional graphics, and event banners. They need them regularly, and most small business owners either don't have the time, the software, or the eye to make them look good. That gap is where you come in. You don't need formal design training. You need Canva, which is free. You need a basic eye for layout and color, and you need one business willing to give you a shot, which you can find by walking down any high street, messaging local businesses on Instagram, or posting your first sample in a local community group. A simple social media package, 10 posts designed and ready to publish, sells for $50 to $150. A logo package goes for $50 to $300. A monthly retainer for ongoing content, $100 to $500 every month recurring. One client, that's all it takes to start. Stream 2, UGC. UGC stands for User-Generated Content, and brands are paying people, not celebrities, not influencers with millions of followers, just real, authentic, everyday people to create short videos and photos featuring their products. Why? Because people trust people. A genuine 30-second video of a real teen using a product converts better than a polished advertisement. Brands know this, and they're paying for it. You don't need followers. You need a phone, good lighting, which is just a window, and the ability to speak naturally on camera. That's it. Individual UGC videos sell for $50 to $500 each on platforms like Billo, Fiverr, and even direct Instagram DMs. A teen creating 3 to 5 videos a month is already generating a meaningful income stream completely from their bedroom. The only requirement is starting. The brands are out there, the money is allocated, someone is going to take it. Stream 3, and this one is for anyone who's ever been told they write well. Businesses need words, constantly. Blog posts, product descriptions, email newsletters, social media captions, website copy, and YouTube scripts. Most business owners know what they want to say, but don't have the time or skill to say it well. They outsource it to writers, including teenage writers who charge less than agencies, but deliver genuine quality. Here's the part that most people sleep on: ghostwriting. Ghostwriting means you write the content and someone else publishes it under their name. You stay completely anonymous, no public profile, no personal brand required, just clean, clear writing delivered on time. And it pays well, often better than bylined work, because the privacy is part of what the client is paying for. A 1,000-word blog post sells for $20 to $100. A ghost-written newsletter edition goes for $50 to $200. A well-written product description set for an e-commerce brand? $50 to $150 for a morning's work. If you write one school essay a week already, you are already doing the hardest part. The only difference is nobody's paying you yet. Stream 4. And this one is for every teen who's ever been told their gaming is a waste of time. If you're exceptionally good at a game, and a lot of teens genuinely are, other players will pay to learn from you. That is coaching, and it is a real, growing, well-documented income stream. Platforms like GamerSensei, Fiverr, and even direct Discord communities connect skilled players with people who want to improve. Coaching rates range from $20 to $200 per hour, depending on the game and your skill level. Top coaches in popular titles, Fortnite, Valorant, FIFA, League of Legends, are fully booked weeks in advance. And beyond coaching, streaming. Building an audience on Twitch or YouTube around a single game or niche takes time, but even small audiences monetize through donations, subscriptions, and brand deals. The key is consistency and a niche, not every game, one game done well over time. The hours you've already put in, they're not wasted. They're a skill set. The only question is, are you going to start charging for them? Stream 5. Every birthday party, graduation, family gathering, local sports event, and small business product launch needs photographs. Professional photographers charge rates that small events simply can't justify. That gap between what a professional costs and what a local event can afford is exactly where a talented teen with a good eye can step in and get paid. You don't need a professional camera to start. Modern smartphones shoot better than most cameras from 10 years ago. What you need is composition instinct, good lighting awareness, and the willingness to show up, deliver quality, and ask for a referral at the end. Editing is what separates a good photo from a great one, and free tools like Lightroom Mobile, Snapseed, and VSCO can transform a phone shot into something clients are genuinely proud to post. Learn the basics of editing and your prices go up immediately. A birthday party shoot, $50 to $150. A small business product session, $100 to $300. A family portrait session, $80 to $200. And every happy client is a referral to the next one. Your portfolio is built in your first 3 bookings. After that, the work finds you. 5 streams, all of them real, all of them started by teens right now somewhere in the world, on a phone or a laptop with no startup cost and no degree. The only thing that separates the teens earning from the teens watching is one decision: to start. Pick one stream from this list, just one, the one that fits what you already have, a skill, a hobby, a phone, and interest, and take one step toward it this week. Not a perfect step, just a first one. Drop in the comments which stream you're going to try. I read every single one. Subscribe for more, and if you're a parent watching this, share it with your teen. This is the financial education they're not getting in school.